All right, team. Today, we're going to level up your AI skills. We're moving beyond just asking simple questions. We're going to talk about how to transform your AI from this kind of unpredictable black box into a reliable reasoning partner, especially when the stakes are high.
So let's start with an analogy that will really frame the problem. Imagine you go to a sharp colleague, you ask for their take on a huge strategic decision, and all they give you is a one-liner. You'd be pretty skeptical, right? Your first thought would be, okay, why? What's your thinking here?
And that, right there, is the core issue. When we ask an AI a complex question and we just take its final answer at face value, we're getting a conclusion, but we have absolutely no idea how it got there. Any errors in its reasoning, any factors it missed, any wild assumptions it made, all of that is completely hidden inside that black box. Okay, so let's really dive into this trust problem. The key to unlocking an AI's real potential isn't just getting an answer. It's getting an answer you can actually verify, you can critique, and ultimately that you can trust. And really, the only way to do that is to make it show its work.
For example, let's say you ask, should our company expand into the European market next year? A direct AI might just spit back no. But what did it actually consider? Did it think about the competitive landscape, currency fluctuations? What about all the regulatory hurdles? You have no idea. It might have completely overlooked a critical variable, and you'd be making a massive decision basically flying blind.
So, let's get to the fix. We're going to move on to the single most important technique you can master. It's called chain of thought prompting, and it is the absolute foundation for building a real, collaborative relationship with your AI. Chain of thought is, pretty much exactly what it sounds like. You're not just asking for the destination, you're asking for the roadmap it took to get there. And what's really fascinating about this is it's not just for you to get transparency. By forcing the AI to spell out these intermediate steps, it actually produces better, more accurate results. It literally structures its own thinking process. And the key to this whole thing can be ridiculously simple. A single phrase, just like the one you see here, or something similar like "let's break this down," can dramatically improve the quality of the AI's output for any kind of complex task. It's like the magic password that unlocks a more rigorous way of thinking. This illustrates the difference perfectly. That first prompt, it's basically inviting the AI to take a wild leap to a conclusion. But the second one, now you're guiding it through a systematic, verifiable analysis. This gives you a structured argument that you can follow, that you can critique, and that you can build on, which leads to a recommendation that's just vastly superior. So the crucial question is, when do you actually use this? Well, think of it this way. If the decision matters, if the stakes are high, and if you need to be able to stand behind the logic, you have to use chain of thought. It's your go-to tool for turning what could be a quick guess into a truly defensible strategy. Okay, so once you've mastered thinking step by step, we can build on that. Let's look at a couple of pro-level techniques for tackling those even more complex situations where, a single line of reasoning just might not cut it. This is a fantastic question. An AI can kind of lock onto the very first plausible path it finds, even if a much, much better one exists. And that's the exact problem that our next technique, which is called tree of thought prompting, is designed to solve. So instead of just following one single path, Tree of Thought prompts the AI to first brainstorm several different approaches. Then it has to evaluate those paths, select the most promising one, and then it executes it. This is how you prevent the AI from getting tunnel vision and make sure you're exploring the best possible solution. Our second advanced technique is all about quality control. It's called self-consistency. What you do is you ask the same complex question 3 or 4 different times. And because of how these models work, you'll get slightly different reasoning chains each time. Now, if they all arrive at the same conclusion, your confidence in that answer should go way, way up. But if they diverge, you know you've found a genuinely complex or ambiguous problem that needs a closer look. Now we get to the most important part of this entire process. Seriously, none of these techniques matter without your critical human judgment. The AI can show its work, but at the end of the day, you are the final validator. This is absolutely critical to understand. An AI can generate a beautifully structured argument that seems totally plausible, but is built on a completely faulty assumption. It can hallucinate a logical connection just as easily as it can hallucinate a fact. Your job is to be that skeptical reviewer who catches those subtle but critical errors. So, how do you do that? You use this checklist.
As you're reading the AI's reasoning, you have to actively look for these flaws. Is it assuming facts that were never actually established? Is it making a huge jump in its reasoning that isn't explained? This is where your expertise is irreplaceable. And if you're ever in doubt, just come back to this one simple question. Read the AI's full analysis and ask yourself, if a smart, trusted member of my team presented this exact logic to me, would I accept it? If the answer is no, if you'd have follow-up questions or you'd push back on their logic, then you absolutely have to do the same with your AI.
All right, theory is great, but practice is really where the learning happens. So let's put all of this into action with a real-world task that I want you to try as soon as this explainer is over. The task is to evaluate a new AI tool for your team. Don't just ask the simple question. I want you to use the structured chain of thought prompt on the right. I challenge you. Run both versions and just see the dramatic difference in the quality of the output for yourself. I guarantee you it will be night and day. So what's the big takeaway here? It's really about a fundamental shift in how you work with AI. By demanding step-by-step reasoning, exploring multiple paths, and always validating the final logic yourself, you elevate the AI from a simple answer machine to a true strategic partner. Look, if you master these techniques, you will have fundamentally improved your ability to leverage AI for high-stakes professional work. The question is no longer just what's the answer, it's what's the best way to think about this problem. And that, my friends, is a much more powerful question to be asking.